stopped in one of the restaurants to have lunch, and as usual, lunch included, but drinks are not. So be sure to have water or buy water here. They have always wonderful coffee, and sometimes they have coconuts, which is amazing, which we absolutely love, the cold coconuts. So yeah, that's what we're going to have. I will get the coconut.
Put the straw
Do you like the coconut?
away.
Right? It's good.
This one's sweeter.
Sweet because it's more ripe. You see? Than green. Okay, try it. Is that wonderful? I really want to try it with the soy sauce and a little bit of wasabi. So fresh. I love it so much. Wonderful. Chopstick style? Chopstick style.
Non-chopstick style.
Non-chopstick
I'm
style.
gonna add some pepper on it.
It's salt and pepper a little bit.
Do you need
What
it?
is it?
No.
I don't know. No, you don't. It's very fresh.
One,
One,
two.
two, three.
Oh,
Isn't that
the
wonderful?
best oyster ever. I think it's almost better than Taiwanese ones.
Maybe.
It's the big one who was the same quality.
So oceany.
Oh,
Speaking.
and with sauce.
Mayo,
Yeah, chili sauce and mayonnaise.
chili and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
For dipping sauce, it's the fish sauce and calamansi. Sometimes it comes with the chili and the garlic. Sometimes not. What do you think about the spring rolls?
I think those are the best spring rolls we've tried so far.
Except that they're extremely hot, I'm guessing. Right?
No, manageable. Right, the best
Right?
spring rolls, right? Totally.
I'm going to try too. You know what? It's one of the best meals that we have ever tried here. Right? Right? Yes. Oh my god. It's amazing. Okay, I need to show you what they brought. The fish, the shrimp, I think I showed you already. Those are one of the best, and the chicken legs. Aren't those amazing? Like all the food is just magnificent.
I
Have
tried
you
it.
tried
These
it?
are good.
Amazing.
These are good.
Amazing.
There is a shell. There is that piece on it. So
Okay, the salad with the fish. What do you think?
oh my god, this is good.
Right? It's the best meal that we've had so far. You know what? It's one of the best meals that we have had so far. We had good meals, but this is, I think, topping off a lot of. You know, I need some. It's wonderful. We have the beak.
Yeah. At home, if you find a beak, people start complaining right away. You know, here, literally in every squid, a beak. That's actually.
This is wonderful.
I saw.
Yeah, ginger, Regina. The ginger needs.
Squid.
What do you think about the squid?
Good.
Right?
This is the first meal Ariel totally enjoys in Vietnam and loves every little bite.
You know what? It's a wonderful meal. I need to try this one. It's so fresh. It's clean and done right. It's just done right. And Ariel getting better with his chopsticks skills so much so. Right, Ariel?
I can't get the spring roll now. Eh?
It's okay. Don't play with the spring rolls. I need to try the chicken. You know what?
Hands.
Yeah, probably with hands. Regina?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
The chicken is amazing. Wow. Wow. Always eat the vegetables with the rice. The vegetables are extremely tasty here. No, I didn't. No. I'm going to try the fish.
It's,
Better than anywhere else.
and this is tomato sauce done right. Like you totally taste the tomatoes. Like it's good tomato sauce. I realize the fact that I don't like usually tomato sauce because it's just not the right, not perfectly done.
Not the right kind of tomato sauce that you like, right?
Oh, this is wow. This is from the fish tomato sauce. Wow.
Try the fish.
Wow. Wow.
Right?
I tried the leg. Try the leg. Try the leg.
Yeah, you didn't try the leg yet.
I need to embrace every bite, not to mix and match flavors. Alright, ready for the leg.
Right? What do you think? Right?
Oh, it's like smoke. A smoky
I love
flavor.
it.
Yep. Delicious.
Right?
Taste the oceans. Love it.
He always loved the squid.
Nice.
Ariel always loved the squid. He knows even how to cook it.
Oh, so good.
Yes. Okay, I didn't realize it, but this is pineapple and tomato. Like,
When
how
they-
cool is this?
When we asked to give us genuine, I think they gave us genuine.
Yeah.
Yeah. We said we said no steamed cabbage. Just please no steamed cabbage. Oh, this is
Honey?
amazing.
When we arrived and I saw all the tourists, I was so scared. I'm like, oh no.
Yeah, we're going to get the touristy food again.
No, no, no.
But we're not, because we see the other tourists eating some pho and some other stuff, but we're not.
It's one of the best meals like that we had here. So yeah, we're continuing to enjoy it, and it was marvelous
Might be the best meal I had in Vietnam, period.
so far.
Just period.
I'm sure it is the best meal, period.
High rent from our family.
Well, yeah. The first restaurant was good though.
With the
Now that
frog.
I'm thinking, with the frog legs and papaya salad, yes. Actually, the first one was good. The first and this one.
Okay, have I told you that the coffee is the best coffee in Vietnam? Everywhere I go, the coffee is amazing. From north to now, we're in somewhere in the middle, and I bet that south is a great too. And this lady is eating Ariel's coconut.
Yes.
The coconuts are great here, aren't they?
They're delicious.
They don't use a lot of coconut. They use a little bit of coconut cream for coffees, I found. And like just drink like that. That's all. I didn't see a lot of usage of coconut here in Vietnam. Right?
I don't know. As far as I remember, in Mekong Delta region, they do coconut candy. There's a factory there,
Maybe it's
like
south,
production.
not northern.
I have no idea because I do remember in the tour there should be, well, on the tours they're suggesting there's a visit to coconut factory in Mekong Delta region, south of Ho Chi Minh City. So who knows?
I don't know, probably. Maybe it's southern thing and not northern things. I found that here, as we go south, progress south, they use more and more coconut, and the coffee is still amazing, so I'm so happy about it. So yeah.
As long as they take pizza.
Okay, we got a little bit mad and crazy. There is a oyster farms around
We
here.
never asked for this, so
We
you
never,
are mad
yeah,
about it.
she's never asked for this, but you know what, I just saw them and I thought that the quality of things here is so beautiful and the price is so affordable. So we got, look, right? It's beautiful.
Yep.
It's special
Baroque.
Baroque oyster that makes them flat, you see?
Is this your
And
phone?
Regina really loves this one.
Is this your phone?
Yeah.
And each of this is 40 and they can do it longer, so in the same price. So it's going to be a long one for $40 American. But it's wonderful, it's beautiful.
Mom, maybe you guys
Like the colors of different, you know, the golden, the dark, that's just amazing. It's beautiful. The green one, the dark green one. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. Okay, we came up with those ones. This one is long and this one is short for the arm. And Regina did the same. It's so beautiful. We need to show Ariel's. Look.
You want, no.
No.
The only thing.
Can you show me please the black?
I need it longer.
You need it longer? You want it longer?
No, longer is not too nice one.
He doesn't.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Good one. They give us gift because we bought so much. So thank you so very much for being with us, and please subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers loving life. And remember, go towards your joy and do something fun every day. And see you next time. Bye.